Welcome to the 10th episode of GML Ragini. Today, we continue to explore avenues for donations towards the Rotary Foundation. Donations to Rotary Foundation can also be made in memory of loved ones and are eligible for tax deduction under Section 80G. Online contributions are accepted if the donor or donating club has a PAN card, and clubs can pull donations if they meet these requirements. Payments can also be made via checks or RTGS. All donations are transparent and visible on Rotary International sites. Avenues for donation. Annual fund. A vital source of funding for Rotary and Rotaract clubs to drive positive change in communities worldwide. Contributions are shared between the World Fund and District Designated Fund after 5% deduction for operating expenses. After the end of 3 years, district may use half of their DDF to fund district grants, and remaining DDF may be used for global grants or donation to Polio Plus or the Rotary Peace Centers. Endowment funds ensures long-term support for Rotary's project. Contributions are preserved and invested with only a portion of the earnings used to fund sustainable initiatives, ensuring resources for future Rotarians. Polio Plus Fund. This fund is focused on eradicating polio. Rotary has reduced polio cases by 99.9%, immunized over 2.5 billion children, and contributed $1.8 billion globally. Donations are matched 2:1 by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, amplifying the impact. Miles to End Polio. An annual cycling event attracting over 9,000 participants. It has raised $53.3 million, including matching funds from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to support polio eradication. Disaster Response Fund provides grants of up to $25,000 for immediate relief during natural disasters, offering special supplies like food, water, and medicine. It also supports long-term recovery through global grants. World Fund, the primary funding source for global grants, supporting large-scale international projects with measurable, sustainable outcomes in Rotary focus areas. Signing off for now. For more such updates, stay tuned to GML Ragini.